Hi, I'm attorney John Hornbeck, and you are a healthcare professional that has received or anticipates receiving a letter of investigation from the Florida Department of Health. I'm here to help you understand what to expect and explain this process. The first part is a complaint is filed by either an individual or an employer, such as a hospital. What happens next is very, very important. An investigator is going to gather materials from the individual or the hospital, and they're also going to receive a response to the letter of investigation, which is very important because if we can get your case dismissed at this point, would be a huge win, and I'll explain why in just a second. An attorney is then assigned to the case in Tallahassee. The attorney can do one of two things. They can either dismiss the case if they feel that it does not have merit, or they can send it to a probable cause panel. A probable cause panel can then do one of three things. They can either dismiss it themselves, they can file an administrative complaint, which we'll get to in a second, or they can issue what's called a letter of concern or letter of guidance, which is a huge win because you would avoid, it's a non-disciplinary event, and you would avoid the formal administrative complaint being on your record. If a formal administrative complaint is filed, that's going to stay on your record permanently. You then have 21 days to do what's called an election of rights. You either have to select a box that says, I dispute the facts of the case, or I do not dispute the facts. If you do dispute the facts, your case would go in front of a DOH hearing, where you're going to have an administrative law judge decide. If you do not dispute the facts, your case would go before a Florida Board of Nursing hearing. And we can avoid all that by hopefully getting your case dismissed or getting a letter of concern or guidance issued. We take this response very seriously. I know what to put in these letters from my correspondence with many of the attorneys at the Florida Department of Health. My firm can help you with this. You want to hire an attorney, and you don't want to just hire any attorney. You want to hire one that specializes in licensing issues. That's my job. That's what I do all day, every day. Please give me a call if I can help further explain this process to you. Thank you and have a great day.